Welcome to my channel Bentham TV. Today's video is about eyesight and vision. Your eyesight is probably the most important of your five senses. Eye health goes hand in hand with general health. But a few nutrients are especially important for your eyes. These nutrients help maintain eye function, protect your eyes against harmful light, and reduce the development of age-related degenerative diseases. Let's start the video and watch video till the end. Milk thistle are responsible for repairing any eye damage. Thus, the health of the liver plays an important part in the health of your eyes as well. Silymarin, the primary component of milk thistle, are known for its liver-supporting properties, as well as reducing the sugar levels in the eyes of diabetics. Grape seed extract contains numerous phytochemicals like flavonoids, linoleic acid, vitamin E, and oligomeric proanthocyanidins, which are considered beneficial to those suffering from eye strain, diabetic retinopathy, cataracts, and macular degeneration. This herb helps to prevent irritation and also works as a nerve relaxer. Like fennel seeds, you can soak cotton balls in a passion flower extract and warm water mixture. Pressing these compresses against your eyes can soothe eye strain and relax your nerves. Bilberry is one of the most beneficial herbs for eyesight. Bilberry is used to treat people with diabetes, osteoarthritis, kidney disease, and more. This herb can enhance your normal vision, as well as your night vision. So if you struggle with seeing the dark, this herb is for you. Ginkgo biloba is an older remedy that is used to improve circulation, especially around the back of the eye. This herb ensures an adequate blood supply is flowing into the eye. It can also be used in treatments for glaucoma and macular degeneration, helping to improve both of these conditions. Turmeric is known for its medicinal and anti-inflammatory benefits, as well as its positive effects on the eyes. Curcumin, an active compound in turmeric, is known to be effective against inflammation of dry eyes. Fennel has been said to relieve inflamed or watery eyes, as well as strengthen them in mild cases. Fennel tea, used as eye wash, is also used to treat severe cases such as glaucoma and cataracts. Saffron, derived from the Crocus sativus flower, offers potential benefits for eye health. Its compounds, such as crocin and quercetin, can help protect the eyes from oxidative damage. Though these herbs are not meant to be the sole backer of your eye health, incorporating them into your regular diet is certainly recommended to keep them healthy. Along with this, don't forget to consult your optometrist on a regular basis. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and show your support by liking our content. Thank you for watching.